A common figure is very simply a figure shared between multiple dancers. Now, the promenade twinkle can be danced in 3 dances: the waltz, the foxtrot, and the Viennese waltz. What makes it common to all 3 dances is we have the same foot positions, the same dance positions, same footwork, same alignments. Everything is identical in all 3 dances. The only difference is the music. In the waltz and the Viennese waltz, we use 1-2-3 timing. 1, 2, 3. This was obviously the waltz because of the tempo. So same counts, but just faster in the Viennese. 1, 2, 3. In the foxtrot, we use slow, quick, quick for the identical figure. And slow, quick, quick.